Welcome back, Year 5, and a big shout out also to Jack Baxter. Thank you for the comments, big man. Keep them coming. And anyone else who wants to shout out, leave some comments, please. Let me know how it's going. How you're finding the maths problems. Are they too easy? Are they too hard? Let me know. Feedback is welcome. So, folks, we're going to solve more problems using known multiplication facts today. They're just going to be a bit more challenging than yesterday. You can see we're going to recap with 120 multiplied by 20. And what I've done down here is I've broken this larger sum down into known multiplication facts, which are going to help me find the right answer. So you can see for the first one, I've got rid of all my zeros in my question, and I've just got 12 times 2. And the answer is 24. Now, I've made my 12 10 times bigger to get 120, which means I need to make my answer 10 times bigger. 240. And then the last part, to get my sum down here to be the same as the sum up here, is I need to make my 2 10 times bigger. And remember, I now need to make my answer 10 times bigger as well. So my answer is 2,400. So I guarantee, if you get given a problem like this with multiples of 10, break it down like I've done here and stop when what you've got down to matches your question, and you'll get the right answer. If you want to have another look at that before you ever go yourselves, then please do so. But if you're ready to continue, there's your problems. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 problems. Pause the screen now. Use the steps that I just showed you for each one, and then press play when you want to go through the answers, please. Great. So, answer to A, 10,000. B, 24,000. C, 18,000. D is 24,000 again. E, 6,500. F, 7,200. G, 7,500. And the last one, 12,600. I'm just going through these now to see which is probably the most challenging. Now, let's just go through H. Even if you got it right, let's see if you follow the same steps as me. So I was asking you to work out 420 multiplied by 30. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my zeros in my question. I'm going to do 42 times 3. I'm going to do it in my head. I'm going to say, well, 40 multiplied by 3 is 120, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So if I add those together, I get 126. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my 42 10 times bigger. So I need to make my answer 10 times bigger. So every number is moved one column to the left. And then the last thing I need to do is make my 3 10 times bigger. So again, I need to make my answer 10 times bigger. And you can see I've got the same answer. Really hope you found that method useful. Hopefully you got them all right, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.